So as you know, our heat pump and setup for the AC used to be right here in this corner. We have relocated it to the attic and done all new vents in the ceiling. The old ones will be covered up with the new flooring. And here is our new HVAC box. New lines, new box. Brand new. It says it's 11 of 24 model. So that's all taken care of as well.